Good morning, viewers. This is a video of how to uninstall, or rather how to replace your filter for your central AC in your house. The filter actually helps to filter off all viruses that could cause harm to you in your home. As the air flows through the central AC, if the filter is not there, it's going to circulate the viruses in your home. But the filter helps you to filter them out so that it will not cause sicknesses to you and all that lives in your home. The filter is recommended to be changed every 3 months. However, you can always look at it, how dirty it is, to determine if you shave your home more frequently than the recommended period of time by the producers. In my own home, this is where the filter is. But you try to locate where the filter is installed in your own home, and learn how and remove it gently. As I'm removing mine now, try to notice where the arrow is facing, so that when you are installing another one, it will be facing exactly the same place. And make sure you buy the right filter to replace the filter you remove in your central AC. Like mine, as you can see, the number on it is 14, 20, and 1. That is 14 by 20 by 1. And that is the size I'm going to buy to put in my own central AC. You can also see that the filter is dirty, though my own I change it frequently every month. Nevertheless, it's still dirty. You can see some particles and some things there, which the filter have helped me to filter. All these things will have been coming into our lungs and could have caused us to be falling sick, but the filter helps us to filter them out. When a house is shut, there's a tendency for viruses to be moving around, especially you going out, coming in, and not cleaning off your shoes before coming into the house. All those viruses you step upon, you bring it in, but the filter will still help you out. It's advisable to dust your shoes and shake the viruses out before entering your house. I'm going to show us the replacement I've got, and put it side by side with this one I remove, so that you see the differences before I install it. This is the one I bought to replace it. You can see the difference. See the replacement, how new it is. There is nothing that has been filtered yet because it has not been used. Look at the old one I removed. You can see the differences. The difference is clear, which means we are saving ourselves from health hazard by removing this old one and replacing it with the new one. I'm going to reinstall it now. I take it back to my utility closet for my central AC and heater. I locate back where I brought it out from. You can see that's the hole where I brought it out from, and I must install it how it was. The arrow was facing the other way, and it must still be the same way I'm going to install. You see, I make the arrow to face where the other one was facing. Now I'm installing it, pushing it in. It's easy to push in. It's very, very easy to put in. I've installed it already now, so it starts filtering again. If you don't have a central AC in your home, or probably maybe you live in an apartment, not a house, you can buy a humidifier, and that will help you to filter the air within your home. Try this and you appreciate the result. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share, and you'll be able to get more videos like this from me. Remain blessed and healthy.